Hi, welcome to our channel. Currently, heat pumps are very popular among heating devices. There are many models on the market, so it's hard to make a decision. The principle of operation of these devices is similar, but the devil is in the details. So, what makes the Thermit Heat Gold and Platinum pump stand out? I will answer this question in today's episode. Stay tuned. Thermit Heat Gold and Platinum heat pumps are modern inverter heat pumps used not only for heating rooms, but also for preparing domestic hot water and cooling in the summer. The heat pump itself is not everything. Its control is also very important, which is made possible by the HP Multi controller. HP Multi consists of three elements: the controller, the touch panel, and the EcoNet Internet module. Now I will talk about each of them. The HP Multi-Controller allows controlling the operation of three heating circuits, one direct circuit, which is radiator heating, and two circuits with a mixing valve, which is underfloor heating. It controls the operation of the circulation pump, manages the operation of the domestic hot water circuit, creates time schedules for the operating time not only for the heat pump as a device, but also for the heating circuits and domestic hot water, and regulates the installation's operation depending on the outside temperature, the so-called weather function. A very important feature is also the smart grid. It allows storing excess electricity from photovoltaic panels as heat and using it, for example, to raise the temperature of water in the buffer or the domestic hot water tank. For instance, having a buffer with a temperature of 45 degrees. Thanks to the smart grid function, we can raise it by about 10 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius. The panel with a touch color display allows for easy operation and quick parameter changes by pressing the appropriate symbol. What is important for the user is that the menu is very clear and intuitive, and monitoring the working status is extremely simple. Thanks to the EcoNet Internet module, it is possible to remotely manage the operation of the heat pump online via the www.econet24.com service. Using a computer, tablet, or phone, the user can not only remotely control the working status, but also modify parameters. A popular solution are hybrid installations combining two heat sources which work together in a single heating system. The HP Multi-Controller allows the Thermit Heat Gold and Platinum pumps to work with a gas condensing boiler. This is an ideal solution for a heating installation because the boiler provides heat during the coldest frosts, which is when the demand is highest, and the heat pump operates during the rest of the heating season. Now you know what makes the Thermit Heat Gold and Platinum pumps stand out. If you have questions, write them in the comments. See you.